If you're missing most or all of your teeth, you know how it affects your day-to-day life. Sometimes it's hard to speak properly. Eating becomes a challenge, and you may not feel like smiling at all. Over the years, dentistry has developed different ways to deal with this problem, including removable and fixed replacement teeth. Let's take a closer look at your options. Removable dentures have been around for many years. These familiar false teeth fit over your gums, and they're an inexpensive way to replace missing teeth. But they have some disadvantages. Removable dentures can take quite a bit of getting used to. They often slip when you're not expecting it, and they must be taken out and cleaned every night. They can also cause problems for your oral health, such as accelerating the loss of bone in your jaw that always follows tooth loss. Fortunately, there are now much better options. You've probably already heard people talk about dental implants. These small titanium posts mimic the function of natural tooth roots by anchoring replacement teeth to the bone beneath your gums. They're inserted into the bone in a minor surgical procedure that takes place right in a dental office. Over time, implants will become solidly fused with the surrounding bone, making them very reliable. And they can be used to support both removable dentures and non-removable replacement teeth. As few as 2 dental implants can secure a removable denture so it won't slip. This system, sometimes called an overdenture, has a great advantage over standard dentures. Teeth won't come loose when you're eating, talking, even kissing. While implant-supported overdentures are a big improvement, you still need to take them out at night. So it's not exactly like having your own teeth back. Is there a better option? The answer is yes. It's possible to replace an entire set of teeth with natural-looking prosthetic teeth, supported by dental implants that never need to be removed. You don't even need an implant for every tooth. Usually, a complete upper or lower set of teeth can be supported by 6, 5, or even as few as 4 dental implants. This custom-made set of non-removable replacement teeth is fabricated especially for you, and it's held in place with dental implants, so you'll never have to worry about what you can eat or feel uncomfortable about smiling again. Implants also help stop the natural erosion of bone that follows tooth loss. What's more, you won't have to take your teeth out at night, or ever. No one should have to go through life without teeth. But not all replacement teeth are the same. If you're looking at options, ask your dentist which option would be right for you.